We have a chipotle tortilla. So we have a hairbrush, cuticle cutters stuck. What's up guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a cleaning my room for 2020. I have to take down a bunch of Christmas decorations. We're in 2020 and my room's dirty, like literally disgusting. Like there's Chipotle over there, there's cookies. I'm trying to become very productive and happy and convince myself that I'm a happy, productive queen in 2020, and I can't do that when my room looks like this. Like I just can't do it. I was gonna be productive today and I actually was in the mindset of being productive, and then I woke up and then I opened my eyes and realized that my room was messy, and I was like, my life is messy. Like my room's messy, my life is messy, and I can't do shit. Today we are gonna finally clean it. It's going to be my first cleaning room video of 2020. I did one last year, and like ever since I did that video, like it's been requested, so like there's a lot to be done. I also want to try and clean my room as quick as I can because I want, you know, like the natural sunlight. Oh shit, fucking sun goes down in 30 minutes. I want to be productive this 2020. I have planned out literally like my month. I planned out my goals. I planned out what I want to do, what I want to accomplish, all that stuff. But I just can't do that until my room's cleaned. And I went to LA for, you know, New Year's Eve. And so I was never able to clean my room on like New Year's Eve and like get my room cleaned for the first. You know, I was out of town, just got back. And I've been sleeping for the last 3 days. So I decided that like I should go through and show you guys like how disgusting my room is also. I apologize for my appearance right now. My skin's breaking out. I have a pimple patch on my nose right now because there's like a super big pimple and like I'm trying to cover it. My skin's just not really doing well because I'm not doing well. Room tour of my dirty room. I'm gonna show you guys what we need to clean. The other day I got some cookies. So I have some cookies. I have a lighter. I have some pimple patches right here. We have a chapstick. We have a candle. We'll flip you all this way because it's easier. We have a chipotle tortilla. We have a cup that's literally full that's just sitting at an angle. We have a chipotle bag of chips. We have some chipotle beans that are like 4 days old, and there's a little Chanel hair on there. We have my extensions. We have an Urban Decay PR box. We have stuff underneath there. We have a fake tan mix. We have my hair. This is a bunch of like clothes. Over here we have a bag. We have a pillow. We have a towel. We have another pillow. We have some of this is my little like array of things, which is like dirty as well. And then over here Chanel's area, which is like dirty, and then those are Bianca's clothes. I also gotta like go around and take around all the decorations off, so we're going to have to take that off. We're going to have to take these off right here. I have a bunch of things like in my window. You guys remember if you watched my video, I hung up a bunch of these throughout my window. So we got to take those down. There's a lot to be done, but we're going to do it because I want to be productive tomorrow, and I can't be productive tomorrow unless I clean my room. So we're going to clean my room. Before I get into this video and I do any, you know, like back shot, like where I'm like facing my ass to the camera, there's a stain on my pants. Okay, basically I got my sister a hammock for Christmas. I was on the hammock and I fell off of it, and so now there's stains on my pants. There's a stain right there. Do you see it? So there's a stain right there. Is there any more? No, I think that's the only one. Like, this is just a pile of clothes that I don't know what to do with. I got some new spicy noodles. I literally waited 25 days for these. These came from Korea. I literally had to order them from Korea. I only have 3 packs left. I really like them though. They're half the calories and they're not as spicy. So if you guys want to see like a video with these, because I have 3 packs left and like I don't want them to go to waste, like I would rather put it in a video. Do you guys want to see this like in a spicy noodle mukbang? Let me know. Like I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm currently sick right now, and so I've been eating these. Like I have cuticle cutters stuck in my extensions. Like I have a hairbrush, cuticle cutters stuck in there. There was also some medicine stuck in there. What the fuck? This is stressing me out. Like honestly, I'm at the point where I should just fucking throw everything away. I miss my dog. Where's she at? I really wanted to take a shower before this video because like my hair looks so bad. But I was like, what the hell is the point? Like my room is so dirty. Like what is the point in like taking a shower then cleaning my room? Like, huh? I got a new sponge at Walmart. I went to Walmart last night at like 2 a.m. and I got a new e.l.f. sponge because both of my beauty blenders are like, just, I've had them for so long and like I just don't want to go to Sephora and get a new one. And so I wanted to try this one out to see if I liked it. Have any of you guys tried this? Let me know in the comments down below. Gotta throw away my little burrito tortilla. I got a cute ass phone case the other day. It looks like this, and it's like a mirror and it's little devil horns. I literally ordered this and it came 2 months later. I fucking placed the order and literally 2 months later it finally came. So like, maybe don't order this case if you don't want to wait 2 months, because I did not want to wait 2 months. I thought it was gonna come in like 2 weeks, because I feel like that's when people normally ship their products, like in 2 weeks, but it fucking didn't, bro. It really fucking didn't. Another really fun thing that I have to do is I have to unpack from LA. Luckily my suitcase is pretty organized though, like that's all organized, and like over here I have all the clothes and like they're organized in bags and shit, so that's really convenient. But I also got to fucking unpack this. I really just want to go to bed. Like, I'm thinking about just going to bed instead. Comment down below if you think I should go to bed instead of cleaning my room. Hi guys, so I got bored cleaning up there. Like, it was fucking boring. So we're gonna unpack my suitcase. Does anyone else have one of these? So it's like my little like travel, whatever the fuck, like my travel stuff. And so it has shampoo, conditioner, I think like face wash and other things in it. But like I always have this, and like I never go in it any other time except for when I'm traveling. It's always in my suitcase 24/7. So is this bag right here. Like, this always stays in my suitcase, but these products come out and like they change differently. I used to never be like an organized flyer like packer. Ever since I became obsessed with the Asian website called Yes Style. I have them linked in the description box down below. I have a coupon code with them, all that stuff. But ever since I started shopping on them, they have all these convenient little travel things. So literally all of my travel things are from them. I was literally gone in LA for like 3 days and I brought so many products. But I feel like just like being a girl, like you have so many products. Like when you get out of the shower, you put in like your leave-in conditioner and shit. And like you can't forget that, or your hair is gonna be gross, you know? Like there's a lot of products that I wish I didn't have to bring. Also, this moisturizer right here, it's like literally completely gone. Like completely gone. There's like a little bit of scrape back in it. This moisturizer is amazing. I love gel creams right now. I'm obsessed with gel moisturizers, and so highly recommend that. Brought these shoes to LA thinking I was gonna wear them, but like what the shit, bitch, these are way too high. Like I honestly would have broke myself in them. This is everything that we just unpacked from the suitcase. Okay, so we cleared all of that out. This is what I mean when I said earlier that I organized my clothes in these bags. I opened this, but I will stick like multiple different outfits in these bags just so then like they're all together. You feel it just makes it literally organizing so much more easier. I'm sitting over here putting my extensions away and stuff, and I'm like, what the hell happened to her? Like, why she got tree in her? Why she got a tree in her? Like she literally has leaves in her. Why? Like what happened here? Like all of these ones are nice and they're all silky and I didn't even have to like brush through them. And then what the hell happened here? Packed all of my clothes from LA. Literally the only thing that I wore in LA was this. So I'm going to have to hang up the rest of this. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
Must be something more you could say, but you say nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. I know that you have your reasons. I know I was standing here, darling, I know, but before you go,
Christmas decorations are in the trash. I feel like a lot of people may like ask me like, why am I throwing like the Christmas decorations, like the bulbs in particular, like in the trash? I don't have the container for it anymore, and all the other ones are in the trash. My mother threw them away. I also got them at the dollar store for literally like $5, so I can just always repurchase them next year. I don't have any room for them, so that's simply why I'm just throwing them away. So the next thing that we got to do is we got to take this down right here. It might be easier to take this off the wall, but it's really heavy, so I'm trying to not take it off the wall. Oh my god. Honestly, I really should have just took it down in the first place, but I didn't want to. Hi guys, so I kind of wanted to do like a little update type thing. So basically, I put all my dirty clothes. There was a big pile of clothes like right there, and I basically just put them all in here. What we're doing right now is I'm packing up all of my Christmas blankets. So I'm going to take my Christmas sheets off and pack up my Christmas blankets, and then I haven't decided if I want to put my maroon sheets on or my light gray ones. I'm thinking about the light gray ones, so I'm going to pack up all my Christmas stuff and stick it in that bag right there. Hi Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. I'm in my pajamas. My hair looks literally insane, but like, did you guys expect anything more? So basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to be finishing up my room. I basically cleaned everything. I put brand new sheets, I washed them, I cleaned them, took all the Christmas decorations down, all that stuff. The main thing that I just have to do today is just take my cleaning supplies and go and like wipe everything down. So I have like a lot of random shit and I don't know what to do with it. Like, that's my issue. I have a bunch of just little random fucking items, and so I took this bucket, this little just like clear like shoe bucket or whatever, you stick anything in it, but like people stick shoes in it. And so I'm gonna stick all the random shit in my room because I have a bunch of things like up here that I don't know what to do with. Like, I don't know what to do with these cuticle cutters, I don't know what to do with this face thing, this other mask. Like, where do I put this tape at? Where do I put my Advil at? Where do I put this at, you know? And like over here I have candy and just a bath bomb and just random things. So we're gonna stick that all in the bucket. She's so cute. So I filled this bin of just a bunch of random stuff, like literally the most randomest things. And what I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning off this area. I'm going through like all of these jewelry and just cleaning down here. There was a bunch of random stuff that was right here that I just threw all away that I don't want. And so I'm gonna go and clean this whole entire thing off. I'm gonna put y'all onto some cleaning spray that I really like to use. I got like a 3-pack of these from Amazon. You probably can get these like in the grocery store or whatever, but it's a Meyer Clean Day lavender scented one. Oh my god, it literally makes my room smell so good and just like fresh and calming, if that makes sense.
You look at me, I get nervous when you get close and my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless, my world turned upside down.
Y'all, so this side is officially all cleaned. It looks so well. Like, this was so cluttered. It also had a 3rd tier, but I took it off because it was falling off, and I honestly like it a lot better as like a 2-tiered, but yes, it looks so clean. Y'all, we got one last thing to clean. We got to clean that mirror, and then everything has officially been wiped down, sprayed down, all that stuff. Messy, but it's not. It's just my chair, and then these pillows were, you know, with Christmas pillows on them, and so I have to order pillowcases to like put them on my bed. So I don't want them on the grounds, and I don't want the dogs to like get on them and whatever, and so I just have them right here. I'm going to order some on Amazon tonight. So this little space right here looks really cluttered, but usually that's right there. But because I gotta stick the pillows, that's just how it is right now. Okay, you guys, so as you saw from the clips, I sweeped and I mopped the floor. I was doing the vacuum on like my shoes because there's a bunch of like dust and dirt up there, but the vacuum died, and so I'm gonna have to do that later. But the next step is to spray Febreze literally everywhere, all over my bed, all over my clothes, all over my curtains. That's homemade Febreze, so if you're interested in homemade Febreze. It just looks like this. My mom's literally been making it like this for years, and so I have been too. So basically all you do is you just take one of these bottles and basically just fill up like right to like there with fabric softener, and then you do all the rest of this with water and it makes Febreze. Hold on.